Can you see me? Hey, there we are. Hey everyone, how you all doing? It's Sky. Welcome back to my channel. I have a huge ass unboxing video of Sam again. Thank you very much, Sam, for sending me this box. Well, obviously I paid for it. I paid, don't know. I shouldn't be revealing that to you guys because it's my business, and I have this huge ass box. And then I should have another box coming next week. So I will try my best to unbox this. So bear with me. It is, she said to me, it's gonna be heavy, so be careful because of my shoulder. Brown paper, throw it away, I don't care. Now it's just getting into this box. It's crazy. Don't mind me how long this video is going to be. I know I should have knives and stuff like that to open the box, but as you know me, I like to do it the old fashioned way. Ripping it open. Oh, yes. Damn you, sellotape. I think we're nearly in. We're nearly there, halfway through. And this is another thing why I can't wait to get a laptop soon. Editing. Because I can take all this out, everything. Oh my god, she's put them in. It looks like it's a lush box full of these packing peanuts, look. Anyway, I finally opened the box. It's fun opening up the box. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to show you guys what's in here, and I don't care how long it's going to take. So we have, we have the Soap and Glory, I was going to say orgasm, it's Orangeasm body spray. This smells freaking beautiful. It does. I like the Soap and Glory body sprays, they smell really nice. I have these slip dresses. I think I've got two, but I'm not too sure. But I have these. These are just handy. And I'll tell you why these are handy. Bikinis. You slip them over your bikinis. I like to use them, especially when you just want to go to the shops or wherever, or you're on a day out, you want to put your bikini on. With this underneath, you're happy. Is this a skirt or a dress? Oh yes, it's a, this is a dress. This is the Julian McDonald dress, leopard print dress. So halter neck, yeah. So yeah, it's a bit of colour, and obviously these do fit. So I'm very excited to place that over there. I think this is the other one of the slip dresses I got, which is handy. Yep, I got it in this colour as well. So I'm very, very excited. I've got, I don't know how many of these I got. I don't know whether I got one or two. So I've got the Vanilla Brulee Shower Gel from the Body Shop. I love this fragrance. Yeah, it's like creme brulee. Do you know what it actually smells like? To me, a vanilla latte. That sounds really crazy, but that smells like my vanilla lattes that I get when I get my coffee. Then I've got a 500ml bottle of the Joyful Tropics Papaya and Peach Senses shower gel. I've bought shower gels to last me about a year now, so I don't need any more shower gels. Oh, that smells gorgeous. That smells absolutely divine. And then I've got the Healthy Rough Skin Remover Footworks. I don't know what that smells of. It's got a nice smell to it because I suffer with terrible rough skin on my heels, so this is going to be handy. Ready to have nice feet for my holes. What else are we going to show you guys? I have a wonderful top. Racer back top. I love racer back tops. So yeah, this flower print, very nice. What else do I have? Oh, I have a shoulder bag. I love these type of bags, but I never get to use it much. So I open it up. It is a bit heavy, so there must be something else in here that Sam's put in. Yep, she has. Oh yeah, the bag's from New Look. And the zip works perfectly fine. There's basically, this was brand new but without the tags. So very happy. Yep. So it's got a zip at the back, and then you open it up inside. And then what was inside that was the green tea and mint pure Oasis Avon Senses shower gel. It smells amazing. As I told you, I'll have to, when I do the unpacking video, the what was it, unpacking video, haul video that I've got coming up, I'll tell you a story about shower gel situation. Right, then I have another bag. I'm going to be taking this bag with me to Portugal. This is why I ordered it. I like the way it clips there. And there's more stuff inside. Good old Sam. This is the lavender foot soak. That smells nice. So I've got that. Hand and foot scrub. Planet Spa African Shea Butter. Then I've got a smaller one, a Vanilla Brulee shower gel, travel size. A second one. And then a hydrating balm for my feet. So yeah, I'm so happy that I can take this bag with me, because this is a bag that I've wanted. So this will go with anything. It's actually leather. So very happy. I'll just probably adjust it. It's a shoulder bag. It's one of them type bags I really like. I'll just have to adjust it though for me. So that's the second bag. So bear with me. Just the top. Oh yes, it's a long sleeve top, black, which I'm in need of because I don't really wear long sleeve tops. I'm more of vest top types, so happy to have that. Is this a dress? No, this is a top. See, again, long sleeve top, but this one is lace. I'm so happy that I have this one. Very, very happy. I think this is a cardigan. Yep, short sleeve cardigan. Like this one a lot. Thank you, Sam. Clay mask, lavender for the feet. Another 250ml bottle of the vanilla brulee. I must be having a vanilla brulee obsession. Not. Is this a dress? I think this is a top. This is a, don't know whether that's a short dress or a long top. So I like this style. So I've got a lot of clothes to sort out ready for Portugal, and I have clothes ready for Fuerteventura as well. If you guys don't know, I'm off to Fuerteventura for Pedro's birthday. This is another short dress. So I have clothes plentiful now. I don't need clothes now for a while. Thank you, Sam, for that. Then I have a lovely dress from ASOS. So that will go perfect with this bag. It's deciding what dresses I'm going to take, but I know I'm taking one dress already, which is my black one, which you'll see in my haul. Pyjama bottoms. I am in need of pyjama bottoms, so especially in the summer where I just like to just wear pyjama bottoms just around the house. What else? Oh yes, another top. Do you know what I might do? Actually, I might do a try on haul because I have a lot of clothes here. So yep, another lovely top. I told you I bought lots. More pyjama bottoms. Oh yeah, that's, oh, I know what that is. I have another brown bag, but this is what I've wanted to show you guys. So, because hubby has so much paperwork for bank statements, everything, so I decided to just get him one folder for everything, because he's an absolute nuisance. I mean, this has just got everything in it. I mean, that's what we're gonna do, just have one folder for everything. I'm going to fix it and make sure that it's fixed. So yep, that's that. What else is in here? We have another one. This is Delightful Orchids, raspberry, apple and cassis. So I have another 500ml bottle. Then speaking of this bag, I'll show you this bag last, but I have some little things inside it. I have a heel softening cream from Footworks. Then I have the lavender luxury softening balm. Another 60ml cream. Hand, elbow and foot cream. And another heel softening cream. And oh, I'm thrilled with this bag. I can wear it with anything. So yeah, so I'm happy with my new bags. And this is the other shoulder bag as well. So yeah, I am thrilled with my haul. So thank you so much, Sam. You've sent me lots of stuff. I'm very happy. I'm going to see if she's got any more of these, because I really like these, so I'm going to try and get some more. So yes, so I will have lots of shower gels. So yep, I hope you enjoyed my haul video. I've got lots of stuff. Very happy as always. Thank you, Sam, for my stuff. Stay gory, have unpleasant dreams, and I'll see you all soon. I'm just blown away with my amazing stuff. Ta-ta for now. Bye.